Yeah. Alright, now we'll see how the whole stuff stay. Well, the plan is, the plan already in motion still because you see, the side you know, deck off already, you understand? But the plan really, I have to deck off the whole of this for the side there, you understand? So like I do that part now, living at the house, so I have to go and do it piece, because I can't take off the whole house stop and then figure, now I'm the way to stay, so, say, I have to go and do it. So that part here really at the kitchen, as I say, I've been doing the kitchen and it's almost finished, almost complete. So it's the passageway over this now. So I'm going to take out that side here and do that piece here, and after I do that piece here, I go do the room. I'm going to take off the room, that I got to be a bigger part, but for later down. You understand? So that I will go on right now. So I have to pull off the piece here, clear up the whole of here so I can get the area for work in order to deck it off. You understand? Yeah, so I go on in the morning, a blessed morning, is it? Today's another day. There. You see them say what day I come say now. About 3 days ago. Because Saturday that and today Tuesday, is it? I have to take 2 days for the work, work same way. So I go and do my thing by myself. I don't know. That's how me work. By myself. Is it? Everything. So right now I'm going to tell you so I deck off the whole of this stuff. Whole of your stuff deck off the whole stuff. Over there some sister part. So I going to take off half of that too. Deck it off. Mother side over there so. Recently done construct over there so not finish up yet still, but I know the thing set. Be this part of the fear. Come across there so. So the house is there kind of the ceiling bed. So when I do it now, because living at the house same way so. I'm doing now, when I take down the ceiling bed, make the ceiling bed stay. I'm going to put the ply them on top of the ceiling bed. So when I go to underneath now, I'm going to prop it up. Put the farm them around inside and just put some of them same two before there. Underneath it and prop it up to support it. I see him when I do it over the side. I see him when I go do it over the side, the rest of the side. You see it, you come with your own idea and make it work, you understand? As long as it's firm enough, you can hold it up. You see me, so. Alright, now say so. Sister side, so. I fret for the whole day them because say the rain it fall. Thing. I have a piece of continuous roof where I push back underneath it still because it come back from way up there, so. So I have to cut it right there, so because I can't cut the whole at one time. So I buy a fresh 10-foot height come and cover this, so. And then I push back on this, so because the piece I take out, I have a little rotten in the spot right there, so I have one big hole and I push it on the back, so. I have to just make sure, say, when the rain fall, if and when the rain fall, we are going to flood out in a few side, is it? So I buy a fresh piece of more and push underneath this, so hopefully it work out, but I minimize it. Hopefully we can do it before the water come in. So right now I'm going to back up that side there, so we can put back the continuous roof night and back it off. Back it round. You understand? So we can put the steel in and the electrical pipe in there, so I'm going to do everything. You understand? Yeah. So the thing set. So that will come down to in a day, you know. I see. I don't know what day, I never know. So I do so much work in one day still. I never know. But I push myself. I think me alone I work. You see me? So I push myself and I could have end up cut the ply them and fit in. can't really walk on the 200 when I walk on it, but I walk on them board. I'm going to prop up underneath it yet. Now I drop still, but you know, we're not to take some check certain way, you know, to be cautious. So that'll go on and also I clean up this so box it round and see how far I can reach today. Buy the steel them yesterday. So I go on and see how far out I can go today. You know me alone by myself. I said go. Well, no circular saw can't do it fully, so like an unsign. have a shoot through the steel, you know? Alright, I'm supposed to put some hole on the side of it. And then they're 8-inch apart. You know, so that side of them. Match up at them to shoot across. See them then. I'm gonna cut up them steel first and make out the bore and shoot them through. Understand? Driller kind of mad, you know? Me alone can work it. But now work, so I have to hook it up straight. No thing set. I just plug in and use. Yeah, because I have to make it work some way. Till I can buy back one, you know? Yeah. Yeah, that is it, you know. Alright, you know, get up from morning. Work it out, set up what we set up on. There, you know. Couldn't get to do no video before, but you know, get up early and think I want to set it, start out it fast. So, you know, that is it for now. So, your next side at gone, so, you know, so next over that side there.